Okay, so I'm going to show you what they were able to get done on work day 12. And it's starting to really look like my house again, but newer and fresher and so different. And I think it's because they were able to get everything off of the floors that it's starting to kind of feel like home again. Thank you, Lord. Let me turn the camera around and just kind of walk y'all through and talk you through what was done on work day 12. On the end of day 12, what they did was all of the sanding and texturing. So it doesn't look like, just to y'all, that a lot was done. Let me try to get the ceiling. But the sanding and the texturing was an all-day job for them. We were actually not here when they did that. And I cannot tell you how thankful I am for the contractor and the people he has working for him, because when we got home, it was all cleaned up. Like everything was pretty much cleaned up. All the paper on the floor and everything was uncovered and clean. Now they will have to come back and cover everything again with fresh paper, fresh tape for the painting. So what is left now, let me get close where y'all can see what I'm talking about when I say texturing. So I wanted just a very light texture. Hopefully y'all can see that. Let me get this way. A very light texture. And it's the same way on the ceilings. So you can't really see on the ceilings, but they did all the sanding, like I said, and the texturing on work day 12. So I'm excited that that is done, because that is probably like the messiest things are going to get. And like I said, we weren't here. They had our air conditioner off. They had it covered. They did a magnificent job with that. Like when we come in here, we were like, wow, that was a good job. So now what's left is they have to trim out our windows, because we had like a bad board in this one. Some, again, uneven and unlevel things. We desperately need new windows, but that's going to have to be another day. But he needs to trim out both of these windows, and then he will start, I guess, maybe painting the ceiling and then putting up the trim all throughout and the baseboards. So that's what we're down to, is trim, baseboards, and trimming out these windows, and then all the paint. So we are so close. Like I said, that was what was done on work day 12, and we are super excited. I think they are actually coming to work on Labor Day. I know they were here Labor Day weekend. They were here Saturday, so I do think that they are coming back Monday to do a few things. Maybe even if it's just like prepping, he said, for paint, covering everything again, because when they sand and texture, it is so messy that it got on everything that they had covering the floors. So they don't want us walking all through that, because we are staying in the home while this is being remodeled. I have a piece over here I'm gonna have to touch up paint. I'm not really what happened there. Maybe he was using a tool to do this corner and got like a spot right there. I'm gonna have to touch up. Not a big deal. Thankfully, I still have that kitchen paint left. But today is the day after they left. Today is actually Sunday that I'm filming this. And we just got home from church. But I wanted to show y'all what was done on work day 12. But I am going to take advantage of all of the sheetrock boards being cut in the house. All of the dusty part of the job is pretty much done. He will have to cut trim and stuff to frame out these windows and stuff, but I'm almost positive he'll be measuring and cutting those things outside, because he will be using a saw. So what I want to do is come in here and clean some of the rooms from all the dust and stuff. Even though they're going to cover a lot of this again to paint, I want to go ahead and, especially like in Elizabeth's bedroom, where they're not really going to be working or doing anything else other than the door, painting it and stuff, and the trim around that, because some of these rooms are just so dusty from when they were cutting and getting all the pieces put up on the wall. Not necessarily from when they came and sanded it and textured it, but when they were just trying to get all of the sheets up on the wall, he would cut those in the house right where they were. right here in the house and put them up, and that really made a lot of dust. So, yep, that's what happened on workday 12. I'm going to wipe some things down, get Elizabeth's room swept and mopped because hers seems to be the worst since her bedroom is right here in the front. And I don't know if I'll be ending the video here. Just watch for some text on the screen, or if I'm going to show you what they were able to get done on workday 13. Okay, so I hope it's not too noisy out here. I'm going to give y'all a very quick update on day 13. There was some stuff done, but it's not like a significant amount of things that were done on day 13. But first, I want to share with y'all, I showed, that we had our doors replaced, and I had a couple people ask me, why did we have our doors replaced? Because the old ones did not look that bad. And then I realized that I forgot to add a clip of one of our old doors, and pretty much all of our old doors looked like this one that I'm going to show you. They were terrible, and they 100% needed to be replaced. They have been in this home since it was built in the 60s. So let me show you a clip of how bad one of these doors was, and pretty much all of the other doors look the same way. Okay, workday 13 was a pretty short work day for them. He was able to trim out a couple of the doors. As you can see here, that's what I'm pointing at. So this is our front door. He went ahead and painted the very bottom of them since that's going to be closest to the carpet. So he did go ahead, and you can see the different color there. He painted those. Here's our back door. He trimmed it out, and he also painted the bottom of those. And then a lot of what they did today was trim around and get ready to paint the ceilings. And when I say trim around, I guess like they went around and painted the ceiling paint along the edges. I can't for the life of me think of what it's called. But anyway, they were getting it ready so they could just go back and roll the ceilings and get that painted. They did not get finished painting the ceilings on this day, but I'll show you what they were able to do here in just a minute. We had to make some trim choices for around my fireplace. He had to go get those. He finished fixing this spot right here with some trim, and then once it's painted, it'll look all finished and nice. So got that piece fixed, and then some more of the ceiling was kind of trimmed out. They did paint down the hallway. He said it's going to need a second coat, but so the painting has begun. And then in here in this guest bathroom, they painted the ceiling as well. So yes, that's all I have for you as far as renovation updates go today. They are the day that I'm sitting out here doing like this little intro and outro and voiceover for some of the parts. They are currently in there painting, finishing up some painting right now, which is why I'm outside. Everything is covered in plastic again, and they are just working away as hard and as fast as they can. We worked a lot today on trying to get that end cabinet door fixed and trimmed out and ready to be installed and all of that. That's been a little tricky of a process, but it is getting there. So yes, again, that's the update that I have for y'all today. We will do probably one more update next week, and then I'm pretty sure that it will be like move back in day coming really soon. We hope y'all have a wonderful evening. We love y'all, and I'll see you back here on Friday with a brand new thrifting video.